Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Christmas inspired dip powder nail design using Mani Mix dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So starting on the pinky nail, I've already applied my own peel off base coat to my nails for easier removal, and if you want your nails to last longer, you should skip that step. So I apply a thin layer of base to my pinky nail and then I dip into the red dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. So now on the ring finger I did the same. I also did the same for my thumbnail as well. On my index finger, I'm using this nude pink dip powder with shimmer, which is really gorgeous. I did 2 layers of that on the index and middle finger. So I'm using some gold foil on my nails, so I just separate the foil into smaller pieces. And then I placed base on my index finger and placed the foil on the nail. I did the same for my middle finger as well. Then I encapsulated the nails with some clear dip powder. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Now I'm applying my activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Modelones gel top coat to my pinky and ring finger. And I applied my matte top coat to my index and middle finger and cured for 30 seconds. So I placed some acetone in a glass. So I'm going to be using my Modelones alcohol ink. So I realized that it works better on matte top coat as compared to shiny top coat. It's originally supposed to be used on white gel polish, but I wanted to use it over dip powder, and this is how I do it. I also use acetone to move around the ink. So this design looked better in my head compared to how it looked when I actually did it. I had high hopes for this design and it really didn't live up to what I expected, but it wasn't looking too bad, so that's why I'm still uploading it. Then I apply my shiny top coat to my index and middle finger and cured for 30 seconds. So when the nails cool down, I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!